সোনার বাংলা আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি।
Thank you, everyone.
The basket by Nursery Boys Morning.
Ladies and gentlemen, they are collecting balls. Look at them going and hopping and collecting the balls in the basket.
So much fun.
Running, running, and running.
May the best man win.
The basket, ladies and gentlemen, here they go. The children have started their running across the finish line. One of them tripped off and fell on the ground.
To start their game.
We can see several hundred is watching this.
A lot of heart. Right now on the screen we can see students practicing for the cockfight throughout the day. Sir, there is one particular student in my class who was very excited for this event, and it seems she did really well the previous year. So this time she is really looking forward to this event and hoping that she can win a medal. And as I mentioned before, oh, look at them go, look at them go. They are holding the stick and we have somebody in the leading position. And we can see that our students, our girls they have been blindfolded and they are getting ready for the competition.
Absolutely amazing. I really love being in this kind of occasions. This is wonderful to watch. And I noticed one thing, one of the races, one children all done, and he stood up and finished his race, which is something I always want to see. So, as I always say, winning is important, but more